Guys, this is Carl and welcome to my vlog.
In 1997, Ian Stewart published his book entitled Nature's Numbers. And by this book, we get a glimpse of how a mathematician views our natural world. Chapter that really caught my eye was The Natural Order, which is located at the chapter 1 of the book. First, let me introduce to you who is Ian Stewart. Ian Nicholas Stewart is an English mathematician and a popular science fiction writer. He also having written over 40 books on all aspects of mathematics. One of that is the book The Nature's Numbers. He wanted to help us to see the world how mathematicians sees it, full of clues and information which can lead us to deeper and deeper appreciation of patterns and harmonies all around us. So let us now talk about the natural order. We live in a universe of patterns. The first line of chapter suggests. The line might be a generalization but makes a lot of sense as the chapters proceeds. Begins the book by describing some of nature's multitude and patterns. For examples are the six-fold symmetry on snowflakes, the stripes that can be seen in zebras, the patterns in the sand dunes, even the spiral of the snail shell, and also why all the flowers have petals are arranged in the following numbers of Fibonacci numbers. Let's move on the fractal and chaos. There are two types of patterns, known as the fractals and the chaos. When the object contained a never-ending pattern, it's known fractals. Due to fractals highly complex and mysterious, some believe that the greatest use of fractals is yet to be discovered. Meanwhile, the chaos can make it possible to accurately predict the behavior of such a system at a faraway point in time. The importance of patterns provides a sense of order and might otherwise appear chaotic. Researchers have found that understanding and being able to identify recurring patterns allow us to make educated guesses, assumptions, and hypotheses, and it helps us develop important skills of critical thinking and logic. Pattern also helps us organize thoughts and establish order to our lives. As we begin to connect patterns in nature and life, they bring a sense of harmony to our minds. Patterns are excellent in helping us establish priorities. Also, understanding patterns help prepare children for learning complex numbers, concepts, and mathematical operation. Thanks for listening to my vlog, and I hope that you learned something from this video. Bye! Thanks for listening to my vlog, and I hope that you learned something from this video. Bye!